Welcome to another episode. In today's story series, we will see the story of empty boat. A monk living in a monastery decided to do a serious meditation. He wanted a calm and quiet place. So this monastery was quite close to a river bank. So he took a boat, went away from this land, further away, into an isolated place on the river. He stationed the boat there. There was nobody around. No one used to come to that place. It was a forest area. Away from monastery, away from villages. He was in the boat, silently meditating. He was calm and peaceful. He was going deep and deep. But suddenly something struck his boat. It was another boat. And this monk became quite angry. There is no one need to come here. Even if someone comes, the whole big river is free. I am the only guy in this area. Why should someone come and hit me? They can as well go somewhere else, and there is enough place to cross even if someone wants to cross me. This is a small boat standing here and wide river and nobody around. So his anger was tremendous and rose heavily. He just opened the eyes to shout at somebody. But there was no one. It was an empty boat which has got out of its moorings. Somebody might have tied it to a tree and the rope might have broken. So it was let loose and it was traveling in the flow of the river and it has hit the monk's boat. So at that time the monk realized there was nobody to show the anger. But the anger was inside me and it came out. The anger was not outside. The anger was inside and it came out. Then he realized that all the emotions, everything is inside me and it comes out. Then he attained peace. So whatever emotions you have, all that is inside you, all the stuff is inside you, in your mind. When you empty it, you will find peace. To quote Osho, an empty boat is not going anywhere. If your boat is empty, it is not going anywhere. Even if it is moving, it is not going anywhere. If you can empty your own boat, crossing the river of the world, no one will oppose you and no one will seek to harm you. If your boat is empty, you are not going anywhere. And even if you are traveling the river of life, then nobody will harm you. Because there is no use, nothing to plunder from you, nothing to criticize you. You are just empty boat. So with this we will end the story of empty boat. Stay with me for another episode. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.